Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now I'm super excited because today we are going to go through a brand new press pack that's been sent out to me from Norton for their V4SV, and they've also given me the price. So let's have a good look at this. Cue the intro. So for Norton, this is going to be absolutely huge because they are saying that it is the ultimate superbike. This is what literally we all dream about. Now, I just want to try and say at sort of the beginning of this video really that obviously Norton's history goes back so far. It's absolutely incredible, and they've had a recent sort of bad time, haven't they, with the whole garden thing. I'm not going to go massively into that. You've seen enough of that. That's history now. But a brand new company bought them out, and a brand new company are spending millions and millions and millions of pounds making this right. So this is their attempt at making this ultimate bike. So in this pack they have sent me all of the spec, but instead of me just reading off of a list, they've also sent me a video with somebody telling us about all the specs. So I'm going to reveal the price first of all because it's £44,000. But let's watch this together and let's see what £44,000 gets you, because that's a lot of money. Anyway, let's watch this together. I'll tell you what I think afterwards.
The Isle of Man TT is where the Norton V4SV was imagined, the road was where it was born. Norton has an unrivaled racing heritage, and now we bring you the V4SV, the ultimate British superbike. At the beating heart of our bike, we've got an amazing 1200 V4 engine, which kicks out 185 brake horsepower and 125 Nm of torque. Paired with that, we've got a quick shifter, auto blipper, 3 rider modes and a fly-by-wire throttle. What makes the V4SV special is the hand-built quality and the attention to detail. Every frame is hand TIG welded and hand polished to a mirror finish shine. Only the highest quality materials are used on the V4SV, with full carbon fibre bodywork, aerospace grade billet aluminium frame, footrest, yokes, as well as titanium valves. Incredible feature about the bike is the swing arm. It starts life as one piece of aluminium. It's then milled down and actually cut into 3 sections. Those sections are then TIG welded by hand to make a beautiful swinging arm that you see on the bike here. You can see Norton design cues in the bold lines that create an incredibly slim and compact silhouette, with its sleek and smooth fairing and underseat carbon fuel tank. Whilst this minimises the drag and works with the aerodynamics for a more responsive ride, it's also designed to look simply elegant. This beautifully stitched seat has a premium quality and sits 830mm in height. It's also one of the design cues as an homage to the original Nortons back in the day. We've actually got a beautiful billet aluminium cap that holds down the seat itself. The V4SV has Öhlins suspension front and rear, coupled with an Öhlins steering damper. There's also Brembo calipers and Brembo brake discs. We've got a keyless ignition system. I'm going to switch the bike on, and that leads us into a beautiful 6-inch colour display. From there, you'll see your rear view camera. What's more, the V4SV is equipped with an LED lighting system for your low and high beam indicators and brake lights. We've got 2 colour options for the bike. We've got a Manx Silver. We've also got a black Carbon. Now, the Manx Silver actually comes with the red OZ wheels, and the black Carbon comes with unique carbon wheels as well. And this Manx Silver is a nod to Norton's historic colour scheme. We'll be taking orders very soon. Please register your interest through the website to ensure that you are the first to hear from us.
Wow, what an awesome looking bike. There's so many little things I really like about this bike already. One of the things that makes me feel quite kind of proud is that British flag that they've got on the tail of this bike. I love that. I really like that. It makes me feel proud that it's British, it's made in Britain, and it's British engineers. And then the other part that I really love about this bike is the swing arm, that single piece of aluminium that they machine down and mirror shine polish it, and it just looks absolutely incredible. It's got the typical Norton colours, and obviously you can get it in that sort of darker colour as well. But for me, it's Norton colours all the way. Now, I'm desperate to get my hands on this bike. I have obviously replied, shown an interest. They have noted it, and there is going to be a future press bike. So fingers crossed, I'm one of the very lucky ones to get my hands on it, because 44 grand's worth of ultimate sports bike, then we're going to know, aren't we? We're going to know, doing an 11 out of 10 review if it is as amazing. It's because this is a bike for like dreams. That's the one thing about Norton, is they're so expensive. In the car world, this is like the ultimate Ferrari. Norton are trying to be there, and we've got to get our hands on them, like properly get our hands on them and properly experience them to know if they're worth it. Because let's be quite frank, I don't have 44 grand, and I bet most people watching this don't have 44 grand. So this is like the old poster you had when you were a boy and used to stare at it, because it is absolutely gorgeous. I would love to be able to open my garage staring at that bike. It would absolutely blow my mind. Now, they make the engine in this themselves. This isn't one that they've bought in from a company, etc. This is all Norton, and this could be absolutely incredible. Now, the one thing for me, I would say about the brand, what I'd absolutely love, and I think it would do unbelievably well on themselves, they should make a reasonably priced, classic looking Norton. One that's affordable to get the brand out there. That's what I personally think, because I know if they brought one out at the right price, I'll probably be the first in the queue to get my hands on it, because I have dreamt about owning a Norton for many years, and it's just always out of my reach. And that's the one thing I will try and say, I just wish that something that Norton would do, look at building a bike that the majority could afford. But I get it, they're trying to be the ultimate, they're trying to be the bespoke, and the thing of it is, that bike, they're not going to make massive numbers of that bike, are they? That is for the elite. But it does look incredible. I mean, it looks absolutely fantastic. So that is the press pack, and you know what? I'm dead excited. It's a fantastic day, and I really do hope Norton do really well. I hope they listen to some of the things that I said and make a bike that I can afford. But I'm dead excited to see this bike, and I'm dead excited to get my hands on it and actually see it in the flesh, rip down those roads and see if it sounds and rides as good as it looks. And it's a real nice honour for them to send me that information, and I really hope that you've enjoyed that I've shared it with you as well. Now, I'm going to end this video with their own, obviously, press launch style video, so you can hear it and see it for yourself. But ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in the next Bonkers Helmet Head adventure. Enjoy this.